properly, you will be able to buck the log without pinching your guide bar. But this takes a lot of practice and skill and is usually best left for a professional chainsaw operator. This log is suspended, but the weight of the tree is on the ends of the log. This means if you were to buck this log, the log will tend to move upwards when cut. If this is the case, you'll do just the opposite that you did on the previous log by making your relief cut on the bottom and the finishing cut from the top. On either method, you can also use your plastic wedges to help keep the logs from closing in the final cuts. You have now gone through the basics of how to maintain and operate your chainsaw in a safe manner. But there is still one thing left to cover, and that's how to store your chainsaw when your work is done. Once you've finished your work, you should always loosen your chain. A chain can tighten as it cools down, possibly causing serious damage to the crankshaft and bearings when stored. It's also a good idea to coat your bar and chain with a corrosion-inhibiting oil if it will be sitting unused for any length of time. If you'll be storing your saw for a period of 3 months or longer before you intend to use it again, you should drain the fuel tank and run the engine until the carburetor is dry, or when the saw quits running. This will help prevent the parts in your carburetor from sticking or becoming inoperable. And always store your chainsaw in a dry, high, or locked location outside the reach of children or any other unauthorized person.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this DVD provided by STIHL USA. Watching this DVD does not replace the need for you to read the very comprehensive owner's manual that comes with your STIHL chainsaw. If you have lost or misplaced the owner's manual, please contact your local specialist dealer who will be pleased to obtain a replacement manual for you. Please ensure that all warning labels are visible and in good condition on your STIHL chainsaw. Should you have any doubt, please take your saw to your nearest STIHL specialist dealer. This DVD presentation shows correct basic technique in the use of your chainsaw. Different states in Australia have differing regulations in regard to chainsaw usage and removal of material in greenbelt areas. Check your obligations prior to starting. Remember to read the owner's manual specific to the model chainsaw you have. Remember, if you have any doubt, delay the chainsaw use until you're sought professional advice.